Welcome to my video today. In this exciting episode, I'll be your guide on a journey through Singapore, showcasing the most effective ways to explore this vibrant city, from its modern marvels to its rich historical buildings. Buckle up and get ready for an adventure like no other. Make sure to stick around until the end, as I have some incredible insights and hidden gems to share with you. Let's dive right in. Let's kick off our exploration from the iconic Singapore Flyer, where your journey begins with a view from the top. Rising majestically to a height of 165 meters, the Singapore Flyer is not just an attraction, it's a spectacle in itself. Once hailed as the world's largest observation wheel until 2014, it stands as a testament to Singapore's architectural marvels. From the top of the Flyer, prepare to be captivated by a mesmerizing panorama of Singapore's skyline. This breathtaking vantage point offers an unparalleled view of the city's most prominent landmarks, all laid out like a vibrant tapestry beneath you. The glittering Marina Bay Sands, the elegant curves of the Esplanade, and the iconic Merlion Park are just a few of the gems that adorn the landscape. Continue your journey by strolling along the Helix Bridge. As you walk, immerse yourself in the intricate design of the bridge, a true architectural marvel, while relishing the breathtaking views of the Marina Bay area and its dazzling skyline. Follow the elegant curves of the Helix Bridge until you seamlessly transition into the Marina Bay Sands complex. This scenic walk not only offers convenience but also a picturesque experience, allowing you to seamlessly merge from the bridge into the heart of Marina Bay Sands. Walking at Marina Bay Sands waterfront is the breathtaking view of the city skyline. As the sun sets, the skyscrapers light up, casting a golden glow across the bay. This magical sight, reflected in the calm waters, creates a truly mesmerizing experience. It's a paradise for photography enthusiasts, offering countless opportunities to capture the beauty of the city against the backdrop of the setting sun. Walking in the Fullerton area at the Marina Bay Sands, MB's waterfront offers a delightful blend of history, luxury, and scenic beauty. As you step into this iconic area, you're greeted by the elegant architecture of the Fullerton Hotel, a historic building that was once Singapore's General Post Office. Merlion Park offers panoramic views of some of Singapore's most famous landmarks. From here, you can admire the Marina Bay Sands Resort with its distinct architecture, the impressive Esplanade, theaters on the bay, and the lush greenery of the surrounding gardens. The park provides an ideal vantage point for spectacular photos, especially during sunset and in the evening when the city lights come alive. Continue walking forward, and you'll soon find yourself standing in front of the majestic Fullerton Hotel, a grand testament to Singapore's architectural heritage. From this point, you are just steps away from Anderson Bridge. Anderson Bridge stands proudly as a captivating testament to Singapore's rich colonial heritage. This elegant historical bridge gracefully spans the Singapore River, emanating charm and character that captures the essence of the city's past. Notably, it is conveniently located just nearby the iconic Merlion Park, making it an integral part of the city's picturesque waterfront. Victoria Concert Hall and the nearby Stamford Raffles statue are two significant landmarks in Singapore, each contributing uniquely to the city's cultural and historical richness. Stamford Raffles statue pays homage to Sir Stamford Raffles, the founder of modern Singapore. Here you can see Padang, a vast green field in the heart of Singapore's civic district, is steeped in history. Embarking on a walk to the National Gallery Singapore is not just a journey, it's a cultural odyssey through the heart of Singapore. As you set out from various nearby landmarks, you'll find yourself immersed in the city's rich heritage and artistic marvels. Embarking on a walk to the Stamford Raffles statue in Singapore offers a unique opportunity to delve into the city-state's rich history and pay homage to its founder. Finally, your walk leads you to the Stamford Raffles statue, a majestic monument overlooking the river. Standing tall, it represents Sir Stamford Raffles, the visionary founder of modern Singapore. Take a moment to absorb the significance of the statue and the historical weight it carries. Raffles Landing Site holds a significant place in Singapore's history, marking the exact spot where Sir Stamford Raffles, the founder of modern Singapore, is believed to have first set foot on the island on January 28, 1819. This momentous event is considered the birth of modern Singapore and a turning point that shaped the city-state's destiny. Cavenack Bridge, a graceful testament to Singapore's colonial past, is your entryway to a historical journey. As you step onto the bridge, you're transported back to a time when Singapore was just emerging as a trading port. Your journey across Cavenack Bridge leads you to the grandeur of the Fullerton Hotel, a historical landmark that was once the General Post Office during the colonial era. This neoclassical masterpiece, dating back to 1928, exudes timeless elegance, combining old-world charm with modern luxury. The boat quay runs along the Singapore River, offering stunning views of the water, where colorful bumboats and river cruises pass by. It's particularly enchanting in the evening when the area is illuminated, creating a romantic and magical ambience. Boat Quay, one of Singapore's oldest and most historic quays, is lined with preserved shop houses that harken back to the colonial era. These buildings have been repurposed into vibrant restaurants, cafes, and pubs, creating a unique atmosphere that blends the old-world charm with contemporary allure. As you reach the climax of your exploration in Singapore, Clarke Quay stands as the grand finale, a crescendo of vibrant experiences and unforgettable moments. As the day bids adieu, Clarke Quay dons a new persona, bathed in the soft glow of streetlights and neon signs. The reflections on the water create a magical ambience, transforming the area into a visual spectacle. The vibrantly lit restaurants, bars, and boats along the river create a picturesque scene, making every step you take a part of a larger, dazzling composition. Your senses are indulged one last time as you encounter a myriad of culinary delights. Clarke Quay's restaurants and eateries offer a gastronomic adventure, from tantalizing local cuisine to international flavors. Whether you're savoring spicy sauté, aromatic curries, or exotic desserts, each bite tells a story of Singapore's diverse culinary heritage. In essence, your final stroll at Clarke Quay is not just a conclusion, it's a celebration of your journey through Singapore's vibrant spirit. Each step is a note in a symphony of experiences, harmonizing culture, cuisine, music, and scenic beauty. As you bid farewell to Clarke Quay, you carry with you the echoes of laughter, the aroma of delectable dishes, and the rhythms of the night, making your visit an unforgettable encore in the vibrant story of Singapore. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Singapore. I hope you found the exploration inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, ensuring you never miss out on our future adventures. Your engagement means the world to us, and we look forward to welcoming you back for more exciting explorations. Until next time, take care, and see you again soon.